Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a review of my goals for 2024. Let's get into it. So back in January, I told you guys my 12 goals for 2024. Just to recap real quick, it was number one, to have a long form video posted on Tuesday every week, long form video on YouTube Thursday of every week, spend under $500 on fabric, create 6 digital patterns, participate in 12 craft shows, 1,000 followers on Instagram, 3,000 subscribers on YouTube, 52 short form videos on YouTube and Instagram, 2 live videos, $1,000 in sales on Etsy, 1,000 total sales on Etsy, 52 Instagram posts that are not videos, 2 outfits, and then $20,000 in total sales. As an overview, I would say I'm at like 50% of these goals, 50% of 50%. So we're halfway through the year, it's June. For the long form videos, I've missed posting, I think twice. I didn't go through and check off all of these, which I should have, but I've missed posting twice, but I've tried to be better about, planning ahead of time, even when I'm out of town. Spending under $500 on fabric. I've spent about $600 on fabric so far this year. Creating 6 digital patterns. I've created 3 so far this year. I've created the car visor. So that is the car visor that then you could put tissues or napkins in. The jar opener pattern, which I am so proud to finally get that out. That came out last week, so go ahead and check that out if you haven't already. And then the fabric wine bag. So I've got tutorials posted for all 3 of those, as well as the digital pattern on Etsy. So I'll have all the links down below for that. Participate in 12 craft shows. So far I've participated in 3. I do not know if I'm going to accomplish this goal or not. I'm gonna try my best, but if I don't, it's not the end of the world. 1,000 followers on Instagram. At the beginning of the year, I had 198. As of right now, I have 206. So I'm a little bit closer to that goal, but not really. I still have 800 more followers to go. So I definitely need to focus on posting way more often on Instagram. For YouTube, the goal is to have 3,000 subscribers. Right now, I'm at 2,208. I started the year off with 1,679, so we've gone up by about, about 600-ish, and we still have about 800 to go. So that is making good progress. So far, the digital patterns and the subscriber count are the 2 that I'm on track with. The long form videos, I've done really well, but like I said, I've missed 4 videos so far this year. And then the next one is to have 52 short form videos on YouTube and Instagram. I've only done 9 out of 52, so I should be at like 26. Yeah, so I think for Instagram and videos, short form videos, and the posting, I think I need to just come up with 30 days of content and just post every single day to accomplish this goal of increasing the subscriber count or follower count, as well as the posts, because I don't think about it. Unless I go to a craft show, I don't think about posting. The next one is 2 live videos. I have done 6 so far. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry, the 6th one will be this month. I've done 5 so far, so I've blown this goal out of the water. So next year my goal will be 12 videos, because what I've started doing is a live show every month. And I really like this because I've had a hard time with the craft shows in Pennsylvania and trying to find the right place to go to. So I'm using it as a virtual craft show. Every month I'm trying to bring you at least a new product or a bunch of new patterns. So the one for this month will be on Saturday, July 20th at 11 a.m. and it's gonna be Christmas in July. I'll have that link down below, so if you hit the notify me button, then it will send you a notification when I go live. But I just try to show off all of the fabrics that I have available, all of the different products that I have available. That way, if the Etsy shop isn't totally up to date, you can see, live and in person what is available. So I've really enjoyed doing those. I've gotten, I would say, pretty efficient. The first video or two were about an hour long, but now they're 30 minutes. So I'm feeling a lot more confident about that. Next year I may add something else to the repertoire, like, but I am enjoying doing the one show a month because like it keeps me on track. I'm not setting up fully like I would for a craft show. Like I don't put the tablecloths down, I've not put my sign up, but just having the products ready to go and having the expectation that I do need to have something new to bring to the table has been really great. 1,000 sales on Etsy. At the beginning of the year, I had 443. I'm now at 474, so that's really weak, and I don't know if I'm going to accomplish this goal because I've only gone up by about 30 sales. So I am not making good progress on this one. Hopefully the live shows or the craft shows in the fall and winter will help increase that, but I am not too optimistic that I will accomplish that goal. 52 Instagram posts that are not videos. I have posted a whopping zilch, 0. If I could figure out how to schedule them, I feel like I would do a lot better. Because like I said, I don't think to post in the moment. So either I need to like schedule a whole bunch ahead of time, because if I go through my phone, I have a ton of behind the scenes content that I could post, but I just don't think to post it. So I think if I was able to schedule like 30 days worth of content out, it would definitely help. But I don't know if you could do that within the Instagram app. I need to check because I don't have like an external app to use. Creating 2 outfits, a dress and then a top and bottom. I have again done a whopping 0. So that is something else I want to accomplish, especially with like the warmer months. I would love to make myself an outfit that fits me properly. As a short person, most clothes do not fit me very well. I'm only 5'1", so the majority of clothes do not fit me properly. So I would love to be able to make myself an outfit that actually fits me correctly. And then the last goal is to have $20,000 in sales. Drum roll, please. I've done a total of 242. So that is again not anywhere close to the goal at all. Now that is strictly Square sales, so any sales that I've made in person. So I may end up adding in any of the Etsy online sales as well as YouTube. I do want to make a video for you guys about like the revenue that I've made from making YouTube videos. I have gone from making $1 a day to $2 a day. Whoop whoop. So that's pretty exciting. But anyways, those are the goals and where I'm at. So like I said, I think I'm making pretty good progress. The fabric one, you know, like I've already spent over what I wanted, but it's not that deep. You know, I was excited to go to this new shop that I've never been to before and find some fabrics that I've never seen. So I think that'll be really helpful to have those. As far as the content and not posting enough, I really feel like I just need to be more strict on myself and schedule more posts so that then they can just go ahead and post themselves. Missing the long form videos on Tuesday and Thursday. I'm trying to film ahead of time so that I do have that content ready to go, regardless of if I'm, you know, too busy with work or out of town. I do work a full-time job as well as a part-time job. I create the YouTube videos, the Etsy material, and do the craft shows. So I've got a little bit on my plate. The digital patterns, I'm very happy with my progress there. I'm right on track. The live videos, like I said, I'm blowing that out of the water. So, and the outfits, I'm hoping to get 1 or 2 of those outfits done this summer. So that's where I'm at. Let me know what of that interests you guys. If you have any tips, tricks, or suggestions, I'm happy to hear that in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.